Okay, we're going to go up for the maiden today of the Micro Skyhunter. Got her all weight and balanced now. Took 1.5 ounces of weight on the tail there, 3 on each side. So, let's see. Yeah, it feels like it'll go. And I don't believe I have any any expo in this thing here. I don't think there's a way to build it in. So we'll see what happens there too. Got the weight right at about 470 grams, which is 10 grams under what its design weight is. So go up in the air, be a good bird. Oh, don't put your finger back there. Yeah. Okay, we'll try that again. Well, it's flying around. Ooh, squirrely. But it's pretty good with the throttle so far, if I'm careful. Seems to kind of like to go fast. Okay. Oops. Tail came loose of its glue joint there on landing. It wasn't a bad landing, didn't hurt anything really. Just popped that joint loose, must not have had enough glue on it. So, successful maiden, got down safely. We'll take it.